Welcome, boys. This video is an emergency follow-up to my how to properly close your hood video. I made that video, probably a year or more ago by now, but I still get comments to this day saying, how to close your hood tutorial and dent it. This is how you dent hoods. Hollywood Hornet dents hoods. Hollywood Hornet's an asshole. That statement is true, I am an asshole. But I've never dented a hood. So, here we have a Dodge Challenger. At the time of recording this video, I haven't yet published the one where I replaced the hood struts on it, but I did. I slammed the hood, and I also closed it with my hands. There ain't a dent on this thing. Look. Look really carefully. Notice there are no dents. You may be saying, well, that's not good enough, Hollywood. I've seen you close your other car hoods. You probably dented those. Well, let's go look at them. So here is the Crown Vic, the P71. And to demonstrate how I close the hoods, let's look. Is there a dent? No. 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 No, not seeing it. We have a couple little pieces of dirt here, but that's it. A little dirt from my fingers. But there ain't a dent on this thing. You might be saying, well, it's white car, Hollywood, it's hard to see. Okay, well, let's go over to the BMW. It's freshly waxed, washed, and it's a darker color without the sun beating down on it. Let's see what this looks like. Are there any dents? No. No, I ain't seeing any, boys. There ain't a dent on this thing. I don't have my Camaro here to show it. But trust me when I say that the Camaro also doesn't have any dents. So, I figure if I have showed numerous videos, well, videos where I close my hood with the hands, and I've done it hundreds of times. I've closed this hood, I can't tell you how many hundreds of times, since every time I drive it, I'll leave the hood open when I'm done to dissipate the heat, and then when the heat's dissipated, I close it with my hands. Ditto for the P71. In fact, I had the hood open just now to dissipate the heat. I figured I'd film right quick, just to show everyone that there still ain't any dents in this. There's none in the Camaro, there's none in the Challenger. Obviously none on the Corvette. So, this is my challenge to you boys. Anybody who watches that video and says, oh, that's how you dent hoods tutorial. I've just proved that closing your hood with your hands does not dent them. So the burden of proof is actually on you guys. It's not on me to prove that this doesn't dent the hoods, because I've shown it. I've already demonstrated it. The burden of proof's on you. You have to prove that closing your hood with your hands dents it. So I want to see a video. I either want you to film your own video of you closing your hood the way I do it and it causing a dent, or I want you to come over to my house and find the dent. Find one dent. If you can find a dent caused by me closing my own hood, I will give you the car. Whichever car you find the dent in. If you find a dent in this P71, it's yours. If you find one in the Camaro, it's yours. If you find one in the BMW, it's yours. But I'm looking, boys. Looking real hard. And I'm just not seeing it. Nope. Nope. Worst you can find on this car is fingerprints. You can't even find any on the BMW. It's blinging. And though the Challenger is a bit on the dirty side, there's no dents in this either. No, not a one. So, I think you guys are full of shit when you say using your hands to close the hood causes a dent. I think you're full of shit. But I'll give you the opportunity to prove your case. Either film your own video and put it somewhere down in the comments section of this video, or my offer stands, you can come over and point to a dent. If you find one, you get the car. That's how confident I am. None of my hoods are dented. So, birdie proof's on you boys. Let's see what you got. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.